got. Oh, wait. Take the blue shirt off. I want to take the blue shirt off.
You getting too warm?
Looks like I need the white one. Mom, pretend this is a puppet. Pretend this is a puppet.
Okay.
I can go. Hello, baby.
Hey, Lily. I missed with that shirt.
There.
Can you get that shirt behind you and put it in the hamper, please?
Should you take a video of that? Baby. I'll put this on. Patience. No playing. Patience. No playing right now. Patience. 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 Go back.
He's your patient? And so you just
I'm
getting a
the
checkup?
doctor. The nurse comes in first. Here. You're the nurse. No, I'm not the nurse. I'm the doctor. So you go in there. You go in there. That's the waiting room. Okay. Where I wait. Hello, baby. I see you're sick. Dad, you wait with all the animals.
Okay. Well, this will be enough right here. Okay, and then that'll be enough. Okay, thank
That's
you.
enough now.
Yeah, great.
I'm going to get some to Mommy. So she can visit some too. Mom, you're going to visit some animals too. You are. Go visit some animals.
Right here.
Angry bird. It's so angry bird.
Oh,
Come on,
looks like your
baby.
Patient left, Lily.
Patient, come back to the doctor's office. And how we get this out?